Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
Nice to begin with the radar, though there is not much on it. Some patchy light rain there west of Lockhart. Scattered light rain showers over in Lee and parts of Fayette County. Had a quarter to half an inch in eastern sections of Fayette County a little earlier in the evening, but most of that has moved on out of the county and back up to the northwest in the hill country. Well, I think we can go back up there and show you a little shower activity going on in the Lampasas area with some more moderate downpours in that location. Haven't seen much, just a few hundredths in most locations today, including here in the city, only a trace at Camp Mabry, only 2 hundredths at ABIA. We haven't even had an inch of rain yet in 2014. The last time we had an inch of rain in a calendar day was before Thanksgiving. Let's hope this one brings us some more decent totals than what we've seen lately, although we're not very optimistic looking at the new model runs that have just come in. More on that in just a minute. The front is moving south through the state right now. Now you're thinking this isn't much of an Arctic front. It's still 31 in Amarillo and 45 degrees in Dallas. We have begun to cool down here in central Texas. The coldest air, though, is lurking just behind. Up in Kansas, it's as cold as 11 degrees. On up toward Minnesota, it's 20 below with a wind chill of 32 below. Now that air is going to move off into the Midwest and miss us. There is a disturbance right now that is moving southeast out of Kansas, and that has held the coldest air up. It will rush in, though, overnight, and we'll see our high temperature occur at midnight tonight, and then temperatures will trend down even after sunrise tomorrow morning. That front has moved south of us now. You saw the moisture here coming in the water vapor imagery overrunning the shallow cold air. That will continue to take place through the day tomorrow. Let's go to the future weather model here. This is our new high-resolution model, and it starts at 12:15 in the morning. Watch your timeline up here. A little bit after midnight, we're showing a little increase in the activity according to this model. Showers, maybe even an isolated thunderstorm. Here we are at rush hour tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. The green here, this is all very light rain. It's in the metro area to the east, back out into the hill country. And then let's go through the day tomorrow. Notice it increases, but again, this is mainly overrunning very light rainfall. Tomorrow afternoon at rush hour, we may still have it in the metro area and down to the southeast. Comes to a quick end tomorrow evening, and then by Thursday morning here, the sun's breaking out and we're back up to 50 degrees. So this is a one-day return to winter, the way it looks at the present time. How much rainfall are we going to see? Well, here's what I mentioned earlier. Our new model runs that are coming in, and typically, you know, your most recent model runs are going to be your most accurate. Well, they have really trimmed down the rainfall projections. At 6 o'clock, if you were with us, I showed you some 1-inch totals indicated by the models, but now it looks like there's not going to be that much moisture. After all, we may be looking at about 1/10 to 1/4, maybe 1/3 of an inch in some locations. With some isolated amounts, I think that could still total maybe a 1/2 inch or so. So tonight, again, the high temperature tomorrow will occur at midnight, then we'll trend down. Even after sunrise, we'll drop into the 30s in the metro area. Then these will basically be your afternoon temperatures tomorrow. You might be able to add a degree or two, but that'll be about it. Right now, 40s and low 50s. It's chilly out there, but not real cold. 50s right now in the metro area, low and mid 50s, and off to the east. Temperature's pretty consistent there, too. We see a little drizzle, a little light rain on the camera lens there. Our downtown camera looking north from 6th and Congress. Light fog officially at Mabry, out at the airport, light drizzle, and 52 degrees. Winds are northerly at 8 to 13 miles per hour. They'll pick up and gust over 25 miles per hour after sunrise in the morning. That's when we start getting a little colder. Medium mold and elm and ash and cedar low. We expect everything to be lower in weather like this. Fog, drizzle, patchy light rain. Let's go to 39 in the morning and then not go much above 40 tomorrow afternoon. Rain continuing. Good chance of it, but again, this is a one-day deal. Thursday, we warmed to 57. Look at Friday there, 70. 78 on Saturday. Another cold front Sunday brings another chance of some rain and drops us about 20 degrees on Monday. Tomorrow morning, the weather's going to be a big deal. Trust me, probably traffic too. We'll have it for you every 10 minutes starting at 4:30.